Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your drive. Next thing you need to do is to click on Files. Next thing you need to do is to select a particular file that you want to restrict. I'm going to use this file right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on these three dots from here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Manage Access. Next thing you need to do is to click on with anyone with the link. Next thing you need to do is to click on anyone with the link right here. Then switch to restricted. Permission updated. It's that simple. This simply means that only people you share the link with, their email is going to be found right here, and only them can have access to the link. Each time they are clicking on the link, Google is going to send you a permission access. What you need to do is to cite on the mail right here and give permission to them in that particular file. It's that simple. And this is one of the best ways to protect and secure your file and information in your Google Drive to only people that have link access. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Google Drive on phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.